In this video, we will show you how to use the Sprints feature in ITM Platform. In ITM Platform, we have two project management modes. We can have waterfall projects, also known as classic projects, and we also have agile projects. In any of those, we can activate sprints. For waterfall, we would then be applying a hybrid project management. We just need to locate the Enable Sprints option from the General tab. Turn it on, and save our changes. We will begin our demo with Agile projects. First, we enable sprints and click Save. Once we have saved, a new tab called Sprints will appear next to the Tasks tab. In this tab, we will be able to create and manage our sprints. I'm going to click on Add Sprint. By default, you get Sprint 1. For the duration, it can be custom or it can be specified in weeks. Traditional sprints are 2 to 4 weeks long. I'm going to select 2 weeks and select the start date. ITM Platform will then calculate the end date accordingly. Creating more sprints is even easier. I just need to click on Add Sprint, and since I would like to maintain the same duration, I just need to click on Save because ITM Platform will automatically calculate start and end date accordingly. Once we have our sprints, the next step is to start adding tasks to the sprints. I can do it from this screen if I'm using the backlog, or I can work with a tasks list. From this area, I simply need to select the tasks that I would like to include in sprints, and below, select the appropriate sprint. If I would like to use the backlog, the process would be first to put all of my tasks in the backlog. And once that is done, when I'm defining sprints, I can assign tasks directly from this tab. I can select tasks from the backlog and add them to my sprint. Next, if I move back to the board, ITM Platform will show me a sprint selector, which will allow me to navigate across sprints. I can also use the forward and backward buttons to move in between sprints. The last difference when we activate sprints is that when we go to Progress, ITM Platform displays the progress by sprint. I can still navigate to other sprints, or see the whole project. For waterfall projects, we can proceed the same way. Go to the General tab, enable sprints, and click Save. Once saved, I'm going to see sprints. Again, I can add tasks from the backlog if I'm using it, or from the task list. Once included in the sprint, in the Gantt view, I will have a new column for sprints, and therefore I can apply a true hybrid approach.